This is the main page for the self-remedy application. The user will see this page and need to choose whether to get started, which is the user create a new account, or the user choose I already have an account, whereby the user already has an account for this application, so they just need to log in. For the first time user, they need to insert their full name, email and password to create an account for this application. After completing the account creation, and this is the home page will appear. The user need to choose their current mood, such as happy, angry, sad or neutral. Next, the user will see all the course provided in this application and can choose which one they prefer for current situation, such as sharing session, reading, assignment and entertainment. Then, it also stated a code, and there will be different code for every day. This is a setting for this application. The user can choose whether to use light or dark mode. It is also stated the privacy policy, delete account or subscription. There is also a button to log out if the user want to stop using this application temporarily. This is a profile of user that show user progress, such as the cost of sharing session, and also show the history of users, such as podcast history, movie history and ebook history. Here, the user also can change their cover photo.
This is one of the main categories of platform in these applications, which is sharing session. In these sections, it is include LECTURER'S, chatting segments, video collection, and section of online video sessions. First, let us take a look in LECTURER'S section. As we can see here, in these sections, it shows the user can freely express their feelings to the public, which the other members can read, like, and comment, and also give some advices for their current situation on their posting in this section. This is one of the example on some people are commenting on one of the postings of their express feelings posting in these categories. Next, we move to the next section, which is chatting segments. Other than can comment or can make a posting on to express feelings, users also can communicate to each other and express their feelings with other users to ask for opinions or advice on something. This section can chat individually and can also create chat groups with other users. Now we moving to video collections section, which user can choose any kind of videos from psychiatrists, and in this section have tons of therapist video whenever user need to watch it if needed, that can enhance positive energy. Next is online video sessions. In this section, the user can have an online video with a psychological doctor according to a set schedule to overcome the user's problem. User also can comment on the bottom side of the online video sessions to freely give some opinions, ask questions, and many more. Then lastly, depression tracking progress, which it will show the depression tracking progress of users. That the function is to track the level of mental health of the user according to the week or month that has been customized by the user.
For reading section, there are 4 sections which are motivation ebook, quotes, tips, and life daily book. The user get to choose which section they like and get to boost their energy. First section ebook. There are a variety of motivational ebooks that are suitable for the user's problem. It will also provide the synopsis and rate for each ebook. The user can see the rate of ebook and choose which one is suitable for their current mood. This is example of chapter 1 ebook, and user can enjoy their leisure time by reading a ebook. Then for section quote, the section has 5 types of quotes, which are deep, book, life, dream, and love quotes. The user just need to choose which one is suitable with their current situation. By having a lot of quotes in our life, it will motivate us to be a better person. Next, for section Life Daily Book, the user can write their daily life in this application. They get to express their feeling by writing a diary. They can share their life in this app, so this will reduce the burden for user to keep their problem. Lastly, section Tips. There are 3 types of tips, which are self-care tips, study tips, and dream tips. It will motivate them by reading all these tips. It can be advice for people in needs, especially users of this application.
This is an excitement which has places and activities. So these are the places that we suggest for users to travel, which are Pulau Langkawi, Pulau Redang, KL Tower, and Aquaria KLCC. So these are the features of Pulau Langkawi, which has most attractive places in Pulau Langkawi, and the ticket price for the places that we can visit in Pulau Langkawi. These are other places that we can visit, which are Pulau Redang, Aquaria KLCC, and lastly is Kuala Lumpur Tower. For activities, we suggest indoor and outdoor activities, which are District 21, Super Park Malaysia, Legoland Malaysia, and Sunway Lagoon. These are one of the activities, which is District 21. In the activity section, we have provided the types of the activities from each place and a feature for them to book the ticket based on their availability.
This is entertainment features consist of Netflix for movie, Iki for drama. They are actually quite similar. Netflix and Iki, they can watch drama and also movie. Spotify more music, podcast. Podcast is another method of entertain, humor and educate. Fifth came playing with other teach user about teamwork and strategy. Meanwhile, they are picking up inevitable social skills and most importantly making friends. All of this come naturally to user who can turn any moment of boredom into a fun game. And lastly, invite. This feature where user can invite any their friends, watching movie together, listening movie together, and also playing games together. Let's say user want to watch movie, then click Netflix. In Netflix, a lot of genre movie that user can watch, such action movie, comedy movies, and horror movie. You can choose any movie. For example, you want to watch action movie, then click it. You guys know that watching movie bring us a sense of relief, even if they stress us out first. Watching something successful release cortisol in the brain, followed by dopamine, which produce feeling of pleasure. In this section, we add feature invite, where user can watch movie or drama together with worldwide friends. It also can chat in the movie room that user can entertain each other. Next, we also have a feature where people can video call each other and watch movie together. Next, for the music feature, which is Spotify, it also have a lot of genre such as pop, jazz, and popular music. Music can have a profound effect on both the emotion and body. Faster music can make user feel more alert and concentrate better. Upbeat music can make user feel more optimistic and positive about life, while a slower tempo can quiet user mind and relax the muscle. Music is effective for relaxation and stress management. With all of the choice, user can choose their genre music based on their preference.